Bet you don't see many of these. Model A convertible.
Everybody wants to go, so okay.
No, I'm not going then. I'm gonna play.
All right, you play.
Have fun, yeah.
Yeah, while we're down there.
You're gonna go ride on the Magic Mountain and shit?
Sorry for the wind noise, but we're at Disney Springs. I didn't know this was a thing. I thought Disney Springs was a bottled water company, but it's free entrance. But they have all these places where you could pay to buy food or watch a movie or I don't know, it's just all kinds of things. We'll see what they have when I walk down. I've never been here before. Yeah, they have a store just for candles. Aren't these the people that are complaining about global warming? We are in Barberville, Florida, and we're attending the Model A garage. I've never been here before, but we'll take a walk through and see what they have.
You want the 10 o'clock news or the 6 o'clock news? Hey, this is Henry Jones. Henry Jones was quite a craftsman. This is, you got it Indian. Big three. Good morning. All right. How you doing? I'm doing good. Yeah, what we really don't know what's it going to be, but that's what it's going to be.
It's best to start with a drawing.
There you go. Well, I think Paul's got that.
Oh,
At least it's got an
Get
engine.
a hammer.
Yeah.
And let me get a hammer out of here. I gotta straighten this out. Maybe this will work and maybe it
Good
won't.
morning, Rich.
Good morning. How are you?
Really good. Yourself? Haven't seen any, but I just want to go.
Yeah, I just walked in myself, but you wanted this part. I got it for him when we started here. Yeah,
I'm sure it'll show another guy from me.
Wow, what a nice shop.
There you go, Ron.
Good. I should have come down.
I'm trying to.
It's got my picture on it.
It's got a little hook on it.
Hi.
See that?
It's Disney Cruise.
Yeah, better grind it a little.
He was a Disney character.
holding a tool.
Yeah, well.
They look nice.
Okay, I think that's enough work for today.
No, I know, I'm exhausted.
You're already.